everyone, this is Disha here and today we are going to make a main postal sorting office. It will sort the letters such that it could be put into the vans and these vans could go to the right postal offices. For this project, you will need to train your computer to recognize the handwriting of the postcodes so that we could sort the letters and these letters could reach out the right postal offices. So let's get started. Just open the link. I'll mention this link for you in the description box. It's the Scratch link. So click on the Get Started and select here any of the option appropriate for you. For now, I'm just selecting Try It Now option. So now, let us add our new project and name it as Postal Sorting Office. And let us select here the images. Why I am selecting the images? So that my computer could recognize the images of the handwriting that I am going to feed into the training section. Let us understand it later. First, let us create this project. So as you can see, your project is created and appearing on your screen. So click on your project and select the train option. Now let us add the new labels as the name of the sorting offices. So let's suppose that first sorting office is Oxford, other may be Guildford, and third may be Southampton. Okay, so you can create any of your sorting offices as per your choice. Now let us draw the postcodes. So I am drawing the starting two letters of the sorting office. You can select any of your postcodes according to your office. Okay, so I have added an example into other two labels as well, you can see. Now let us go back to our project and let us make our model learn these examples. So click on Learn and Test. And let us click on Train New Machine Learning Model. So till the time it's training, let us revise what we have done till this far. So I have selected the training option and I have fed the examples of the handwriting into the training section. Why I am doing so? Because I am supervising my model to learn according to my writing of the postcodes. So this type of learning is called supervised learning because I am supervising the way my model should learn. So it's just a type of machine learning concept. So let's see, my model is learn. So now let us go back to our project and let us make our postal sorting office. So select Scratch 3, open in Scratch 3. And from project templates, select the project template of Mailman Match. Okay, so my project template is open. Now you can see one more box or one more tool is appearing in my toolbox, that is of my machine learning model. Let us utilize that machine learning model and modify our code. So I am selecting my machine learning model options and also I'll write some of the code. First, let me write the code, then I'll explain you. Okay, so let us understand this code. So what I have written here is, when I will receive the letters as start sending, I'll set the size to 7%. I'll set the size of the image, and then I have selected some random position of my x and y coordinate, so that my image could first go to that coordinate, then I'll select the answer, or I will set the answer according to my recognized image from the labels of training section. Then I will broadcast this message as into my script of code, so that my code could run. Now, what I'll do is, I'll select the postcode sprite and go here to the costume section, and let us add some costume. So from here, paint, and let us select the size as 20 with black color. Okay, so I'll create the costume of first as Oxford, then again I'll add another costume for my Guildford, and then I'll add another costume for my Southampton. Okay, so we are done with our costumes. Let us go back to our code and check if my project is running. Okay, so click on the stamp and let us see. So my project or my model recognized the postcode SO, and yes, it is going to the right when. Let us check for other postcode as well. So what if I select as the postcode as Oxford? Let us go back and let us run again the code. Click on the stamp and see. So you can see my model recognized the postcode OX as Oxford, and yes, it is visiting to the right when for the postal sorting office. So now my model is running well. So let us revise what we have done actually. So we have created a small simple model, that is machine learning model, which is actually done by handwriting recognition. It is also called optical character recognition, or OCR in short. So you have created a machine learning model that recognizes the handwriting by training or giving some of the examples, so that your model could learn well. So I hope you have cleared the concept of supervised learning and OCR by this project. So you can create more projects like this using some more concepts of machine learning. In this project, we only use the starting 2 letters of the postcodes. You can create such many and many examples and add it into training section according to yourself. So for now, this is the complete project.